Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Giuliano. It is called like that because it adds a special browser extension after it encrypts the data that you store on the hard drive of your computer. So the video guide will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware works and what it does with your files. So before the ransomware actually attacks the computer, you are able to open your files without any complications at all. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, text documents, and other data. However, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system, the ransomware may become the part of your computer somehow, and pretty soon you will realize that some of the files, if not all of your crucial files, have been encrypted and damaged by this particular ransomware. So far, this is the message that we see after the ransomware file has been launched. And at the lapse of some time, people discover that their files can no longer be available. People cannot open their files anymore. When trying to open these files, they simply fail to open. So this is what happens after a few seconds. We are no longer able to open the files on our computer, and we notice that the files have been given this Giuliano extension, and the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration, but of course paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. This is a scary message that says that you need to pay money to decrypt your data, but paying the money does not mean that you would get your data. We strongly advise that you immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware from your computer. We suggest that you go to the C drive of your computer, go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer browser as possibly the only available browser, download Combo Cleaner antivirus through the official page combocleaner.com. Install the program and then start carefully investigating your computer with its help to make sure that this ransomware is fully removed from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, Enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.